Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your investment portfolio with Ameritrade step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current investment portfolio. Log in to your Ameritrade account. Review your existing assets and their performance. Identify which investments are high risk or underperforming. Set your investment goals based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. Explore the available tools and resources on Ameritrade for portfolio analysis. Utilize the Portfolio Planner tool to align your investments with your goals. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in different asset classes. Research potential new investments using the screening tools provided. Examine historical performance and volatility of these investments. Assess the fees and costs associated with potential new investments. Rebalance your portfolio as needed based on your analysis and research. Explore Ameritrade's educational resources to enhance your investment knowledge. Stay updated on market trends through Ameritrade's news and analysis sections. Set alerts for significant market movements related to your investments. Review your portfolio periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your objectives. Make adjustments as necessary based on performance and market changes. Utilize Ameritrade's customer support for any questions or assistance. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized investment advice. Keep track of your progress towards your goals regularly. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions during market fluctuations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.